Welcome back once again. Now you're going to continue. Okay, so right now we are going to look at how to create our own name server. Okay, first let me show you something. This is my domain name. Let me copy the domain name here. Okay, so I can go here and enter into dns.com. I will place my domain name here and click report. Now I can see that this is my name server, ns1.cloudhost.com. So this domain, okay, that's the cloudhost.online, which is the main domain to this web hosting platform, and it's using this name service, okay, which means that after creating or after when you complete setting up your web hosting platform, your clients or your customers will be using my name server, that's the cloudhostgh.com. That is, you can see that is DNS1, the cloudhostgh.com. That's what they will be using, okay? And you don't want people to know that you are using my name server. Once they know that you're using my name server, they will know that you bought the package for me, okay? So if you want to disconnect, then you have to, don't want people to know that you bought the domain from the platform, because you need to be an independent, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, we will come back here. Let's go to our reseller and go to manage, or and just go down here and click manage. And here, so you see we have reseller package. This one is not important, you don't need that. Let's go to name servers. The name server here, we are going to create our own name server. So I can decide to first uncheck this. So after doing that, you'll be able to select the domain that you want to create the name server for. Okay, so we want to create for the main domain, not the subdomain, the main domain. So I'll select this one. So ns1 will have this, it will be ns1.cloudhostgh.online. so then this one is going to have ns2. If you want to making it ns3 and ns4, that is okay. And after that, I can click save, and you see I have all these name servers, ns1, ns2, ns3 to ns4. Okay, that is cool. So this is my name, my main name server. So this is what my client will be using, okay, and that is good. Okay, you don't want to use cloudhostgh.com. So I'm using my own name server, that is this one, okay, because cloudhost is DNS1, but this one is ns1 dot. So I'm using my own name server. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, just leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Our next video, we will look at the branding. What am I talking about? When you look here, you see we have this logo here, that is CloudHost panel. Okay, maybe you don't want your client or your customers to see this on their dashboard. You want to show your own logo and your branding here. So that's what I'm going to show you how to go about. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.